Hey guys, hello guys. Bit of a different video from the norm because we are in England and we are working for Amazon UK. So stay tuned, this episode is just all about Amazon. We're still van life because we're living in the van outside the work. I'll try and take you along a bit over the course of these 12 weeks, but this is obviously the first video about Amazon. So yeah, let's get into it.
Peso, 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 pound. You ain't on my team, then sound. Peso, 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 dirham. I ain't stopping till I'm winning. Peso, 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 pound. You ain't on my team, then sound. Peso, 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 dirham. I ain't stopping.
Tomorrow I have the first day for Amazon UK. Never worked for them before. I've done DPD, I've done Target before they went bust, I've done CityLink before they went bust. It's only a 10-15 start as well. So yeah, anyway, lights out, good night. Good morning from a gloomy Rain Hill. Yeah, I made a brew, but I think the milk's going off, so I think I'm going to chuck it.
Few moments later.
So we're in the yard here. I've got half an hour before I need to go to the depot. And I've got to do my van checks now. So you've got to scan your VIN numbers on the side of the van. There we go. And then you've got to do your vehicle inspection. Submit that after you've done it. And today we have 139 stops. And so we've actually got 185 different places to go and a shitload of parcels today. All these vans are pretty much battered. This one's actually in good condition. Alright, so we've got my chargers. This, because I've got gout again. Fucking nightmare. Most of the vans have got USB chargers, which is good. You got one up there. People shit everywhere. You got one in here. So yeah, show you the back of the van. I got my trainers ready. He will put the trainers on in a bit. The light should come on when you get in the back, which it doesn't. We've got the spare tyre in the way. Little trolley down. There we go. Clutch down. All the vans supposed to have. Okay, no water in there. Tyre pressure malfunction. This is just standard for the vans here. Fuel's on 3/4 nearly. Depending on where we are, could get away with not filling up. You've got to leave it over half a tank. Reverse cameras, pretty neat. Yeah, every time you go to the depot, you've got to have your boots, your vis, and your ID, which is here. You don't look at your ID at all, really, but it helps you get through doors and have a shit. So we've still got 20 minutes. I'm going to drive out of here now. I'll show you where I park overnight, where I will be parked overnight for 12 weeks at Amazon before our next adventure. And here's Steve Van. Obviously Lily's parked up in there now. I left her about 10 minutes ago. So we've been parking here. It's really quiet of a night, of a weekend. And the depot is literally just kind of behind these warehouses. Literally a 2-second drive. So we zoom in to where we're going. So we're all really condensed, really, inside a place called Wharton, I think it is called. So this is going to be quite a good day, because look at that. We're going to be dropping ASAP. So 4's the first one. So you go around here, move over to here, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we batch off these first. It looks like it's actually in good order as well. It does benefit you staying in order, so you're not routing. But anyway, this looks like a nicely organised route. So I'm going to say that we're going to do our last drop of 185 locations at about 6 PM today. We shall see. So the time now is 11 o'clock and we are on wave 1. So they have 2 waves for this company I work for. You're not allowed in before you wave. Got to have your hazards on, windows down. It's all a bit of bollocks. And the marshal tells you where to go. But this marshal here is a bit of an angry guy, so we won't film him. All he does is shout, moan, scream. But I mean, he does deal with a lot of dickheads. so yeah, just park up in your lane and you wait for all these vans to go in, load and fuck off. And then it's your turn to do the same. Right, well guys, we're off. We're off. Remember, this is sneaky filming. The marshal looked at me then holding my camera. Fuck you know. Right guys, that is us loaded today. Whew. What was it? 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 bags and about 10 boxes. Right guys, we are loaded, we are suited and booted. I would have liked to empty my first bag, put it on the shelves ready for the first couple of drops, but I was chatting to a guy I know. There's so many parcels must go out of here. We've got over 200 parcels today and there's 38 of us just for our company. So say 40 times 200, what's that? 80,000 parcels with just our company. Someone's just arrived on his scooter. Someone's in the Ford ST. Everyone does this job, guys. Everyone. Right, I'm gonna go now pick our kid up because she comes with me, gives me an hand. But the help is here. We have got 32 minutes to first drop. We'll get rid of this crap. What this is, let's see what surprise we've got here. Oh, a big bag of wipes. I'd like to have them in my van later. Right guys, we're on drop 13. Can't see, 13. I'm waiting for Lily, she's delivering one parcel, but she's not the fastest. As you can see, she's just walking slow as well. I've already done one over here. The weather is shit as well. So your phone don't work proper and keeps going off. There's no light in the back of here, so I'm having to leave the door open. This is getting shit wet. Anyway, onwards. We're using a lot of these plastic bags that they give you. The parcels. This is only, fortunately, I think we've only got small bags today, so that's going to be interesting. I've already used 3 bags today. Anyway, let's go on. I'll speak to you about halfway through the route. Get on with this shit. Right guys, we are at drop number 28, so I thought I'd check in because it's been exactly an hour. So we're on number 28, which is probably about number 26, 25, so we've done 25 in the first hour in the rain. There she is. Right guys, I'm going to show you in the back now. Just emptied our last bag, so this is everything we've got left. We've got about 40 drops left. These are classed as your parcels. These are classed as your poly bags, but after time it comes up on here and it says on here S box or poly bag, and after time a poly bag's an envelope and an envelope's a poly bag, so it's all a bit bollocks really. 90% right maybe. It is now 5:30. We're going to have some dinner now as well, actually some tea. So I'm going to grab our food if I can find it. Right, I'm looking for 22 Preston Road. It says a small box. Let's have a look. Right, got it. I'm going to scan it. Right, let's go. Sorry, thanks, you got it. So that's what we do when we see a porch open, we just lash it in there. We're going to park around the corner, have our sausage and bacon on toast, sausage and bacon butties, and then we will crack on with the last hour of the job. Target was 7 o'clock, we're on course. Lily's got a horrible habit of shaking a foot or something, shaking fucking anything.
It calms me down. So stop.
Why are you not calm? You're just sitting there on your phone most of the day. Why, are you angry or something?
No.
I know you're a woman. You've got them female hormones going on.
Okay.
So yeah, it's R5 just gone. We've done over 100 stops. We got to the first stop at 12:15. So we've been going for 5 hours, about 100, about 20 an hour. We had a massive housing estate and every third house had a driveway up to it and gates were locked. Just messing about. Right guys, I hope you can see me here. We've just finished our last drop. It is half past 6 and now we're going to go back to the depot. Right, just arriving back to the depot now. So this is what you do at night. You come in this way, they've changed the cones around. You park up over here and then you drag your shit in. The guy scans your badge and then he scans your parcels, whatever you've returned. Don't know what this guy's taking a picture of his van for, not a clue. Anyway, let's get in here, get this shit off. That's when we was here. You've got to make sure you got your high vis on because he will bollock you. I've been bollocked. And